If you want to secure your notes on your iPhone, locking them with Face ID or a password is a great way to protect sensitive information. In today's video, we'll show you two best ways to lock notes with Face ID or passcode. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Solution 1. Locking individual notes with Face ID and passcode. Open the Notes app on your iPhone. Select the note you want to lock. Tap the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. From the menu that appears, tap Lock. If this is your first time locking a note, this can show your iPhone passcode or create passcode at the bottom. Select your option. Now you can even add Face ID if you want. Solution 2. Use only Face ID lock for note. To use this feature, you must enable Face ID on iPhone. After enabling the Face ID, go to Home Screen, find out Notes apps. Now tap and hold the apps. Tap Requires Face ID. Keep in mind, this feature is only available with iOS 18 or later. This will scan your face and will lock your Notes apps with Face ID. By following these steps, you can secure your private information in the Notes app using either a password or Face ID. This ensures that only you can access locked notes, keeping your data safe and private.